Hey there, welcome back to the Tech Fixer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to get the entry price line on the Binance Futures Chart. Many traders face this issue where the entry price line disappears or doesn't show up on their chart, making it difficult to track trades accurately. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable it and make it visible every time you open a position. So, let's get started. First, make sure you have logged into your Binance account and navigated to the Futures Trading section. Once you're on the chart interface, you might notice that the entry price line is missing, which can make tracking your trades a bit tricky. Don't worry, we'll fix that. Here, you can see my live futures trades on the screen. These are the active positions I currently have open on Binance Futures. Notice how each trade shows important details such as the entry price, quantity, leverage, and unrealized profit or loss. This information helps traders monitor their performance in real time and make quick decisions based on market movements. Now, follow my steps carefully as shown in this screen recording. First, make sure you are on the Binance Futures Chart with your active trades visible. Pay close attention to the chart interface, as we will be adjusting the settings to make the entry price line appear.
Things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real. This life comes around.
This is the coin's chart opened directly from the Futures Positions tab. Tap on the chart settings icon located at the top left corner of your Binance Futures chart. Now, enable these options: Countdown and Position option. The Countdown option shows a timer for the current candlestick, letting you know exactly how much time is left before it closes and the next one begins. The Position option, also known as Show Entry Price Line, displays a horizontal line on your chart at the exact price where you entered each active futures trade. This line is essential for monitoring your trades in real time. By having a clear visual reference of your entry price, you can easily compare it to the current market price, determine potential profits or losses, and make informed decisions about when to adjust your positions, set stop losses, or take profits. Enabling these two features transforms your chart into a much more powerful tool for trading, giving you both timing information and a clear reference for your active positions, making trade management faster and more precise. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel, Tech Fixer. By liking the video, you show support for the content and help other traders discover these helpful tutorials. Subscribing ensures that you won't miss any future videos where I share more tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides for trading on Binance Futures, managing your positions, and using all the tools effectively. Also, turning on the notification bell after subscribing will alert you every time I upload a new tutorial, so you can stay up to date with the latest trading strategies and chart setups. Your support motivates me to create more detailed guides and helps the channel grow, allowing me to bring even more helpful content directly to you.